In this video, you're going to learn how to use the spot healing brush to edit your photos like a pro. First, you duplicate your layer. Then you pick your spot healing brush from the toolbar. Then make sure the option toolbar have the following settings. Then adjust the brush size with the bracket key, the right to increase and the left to reduce the size of the brush. Then you dab on the blemishes like this on all the blemish to remove the blemish. You can also drag your brush across the blemish like this to clean up. This is before and this is after. Before and after.